Hello, welcome to Praasy Technologies. I am Prakash. In this session, we are going to see one of the important topic in Microsoft Azure, that is Azure SQL Server. This session is for those who love structured query language and who are new to Azure SQL Server. And before going to the demo, please make sure that you have these two requirements. First one is an Azure Portal login. If you do not have Azure Portal login, please check in the description of this video. I have provided a link for you to create a new login. This is mandatory. The second requirement is SSMS, that is SQL Server Management Studio. But if you do not have SSMS, then please check in the description again for the link to download and install SSMS, but this is an optional one. In this session, we will be seeing a demo how to create and store data on cloud. First, we will be creating a new server and database, and we will be setting a firewall for this server and DB. Yes, firewall. This firewall prevents connecting to the server or any of its databases unless you create an IP firewall rule to open the server. This firewall rule is created for a specific IP address or a range of IP addresses that you want to connect. And the fourth one, we can see how to get into a query editor and then create and access tables. And at last, we will be going to test connecting our Azure Portal Cloud Server to the locally installed SSMS. And from SSMS, we will be accessing the cloud tables. So let's log in Azure Portal and get into the demo. First up is we're gonna create a new Azure SQL Server. So let's log in Azure Portal and get into the demo. So in this Azure Portal, we're gonna search for SQL Server in the search box. Click on SQL Servers. This will open up into a new window. And here we are going to add a new server. So click on the add button. So this opens up into another new window. And here it is. And here we are going to fill up the details like the subscription, the resource group. And here we have to give the unique server name. Then we'll be selecting one of the server location name. Then we have to provide authentication details for this server. So make sure that you don't forget these server login details in future. This is what we're going to use it. Click on OK and create it. The deployment is in progress. Yes, the server has been created, that is deployed in the cloud. So go to resource and you can see that Praasy SQL Server is a new server created. And now we are going to create a new database for this SQL Server. So go back to Azure Portal, click on new databases. This opens up into a new window. It's pretty simple. Just give a unique database name. The source would be blank. Then we are not going to use any elastic pool here. The pricing tier, very important thing. So this cloud server is based on the price. So we are going to select a minimal cost for this. For example, I'm going to use only a less than 1 GB for this server. So select 1 GB. So click on apply. So a new database is being created. And a new database has been created now. We are going to search for the database. So click on SQL databases. So the new server and the database details are shown here. Now we are going to create a firewall for this server and database. So go back to the portal. So search for firewall in the internal search box, firewall and virtual networks, and click on it. So this opens up into a new window. Here we are going to give the client IP address. So a new IP address has been generated. So enable it and save the details. So we have set firewall for the server. Yes, it is done. Now we are going to open a new query editor for this server. So click on SQL databases, select the database. So in the internal search box, search for query editor here. Yes. and click on Query Editor, and we are going to give the credentials for this SQL Server authentication that we have saved earlier, and this is the new Query Editor. So here it shows the list of tables, views, and also stored procedures. Now we are going to create a new table for this server. So this is a script for creating a table and insert the records into it, and we're going to select it. First run the create table. The table has been created now. Now we are going to insert the records. Yes, done. So go and refresh and search for the table. Yes, the table has been created, and select the records. Yes, they are retrieved. So in this cloud server we have created a server, a database, and we have created a table, and also we have set a firewall for this. Now we are going to connect these to SQL Server Management Studio. So first go into the Azure Portal, search for SQL servers. I tell you why. So click on the new server name, and we came here to copy the server name, and copy the server name. This is what we are going to use in SSMS. So open SQL Server Management Studio. So connect our cloud server details here. So provide the server name, the cloud server name, and also the login details which we have used earlier. So connect. The first time when we connect, it asks for the credentials for the login which we have used for Azure. So select that login. The server is connecting, and yes, it is. The cloud has been connected in our local SQL Server Management Studio. So search for the databases which you have created. Yes, Praasy DB is available, and also the table which you have created in cloud. Yes, the table is available. Search for the records. It should have 3 records. Yes, those 3 records are available here. In this way we can connect a cloud server to on-premise SQL Server Management Studio. So we have come to the end of the Azure SQL Server session. Thank you. Support me by subscribing to my channel for more videos. Have a great day.